Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Did you know that the woodpecker tells you that Allah exists? From the little bit of information which I gathered about a woodpecker, you can see that this bird has been designed in a specific way for the duty which it does. For instance, the woodpecker makes a hole in a tree by continuously hitting his beak, which has been perfectly designed and strengthened, hundreds of rounds, per minute, and it has a tongue which goes all the way around the back of the neck and covers the brain, so that it works. So that it works as a suspension, and there is just a little bit of water in the brain, not too much, so that the brain does not move about too much. This is just the sign. This is a sign that Allah Subhanahu wa Taala has created this bird and has manifested it with the quality of al-Musawwir and al-Bari'u, the evolver and the shaper, the fashioner. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has left signs throughout the whole of the creation, which if you look at them and contemplate over them, they will take you to Allah.